Hey everybody, just going to show you our square foot garden that we just planted. I built this a couple years ago, 2 or 3 years ago, but we'll show you what we got in it this year, all right? All right, so this is built out of a 2x12s here, one in the back, and then a 4 foot on each side, so 3 2x12s, and then a piece of lattice in the back. I got a 2x4 going up on the side, across the top, and down. And then I put this lattice here. That's for our cucumbers. This year we're going to go right in there. And what we're going to be doing this year is we've got our little guys, better boys. Those are going to be the big boys, I'm sorry. And then we've got some little chocolate sprinkle. Those are the cherry tomatoes. We got 2 of those plants. Then we've got a couple strawberry plants right up here up front. And if you look real close, we've even got some strawberries on there. And then we've got some dill, 2 dill plants. Wind is crazy out here. We just had a storm roll through. Then we've got some Anaheim peppers, 2 of those plants back to back. And then we've got some cilantro up here in the right corner. And then my wife's favorite, the jalapenos for her jalapeno burgers. She puts the jalapenos on there, peanut butter and bacon. So that's a nice little quick square foot garden if you want to build one. Real easy to build. Just filled it with some above ground garden soil. Picked it up at Lowe's on sale. That's what we used originally too. All right guys, we'll see you later, but you could build yourself one of these. So that's a quick square foot garden. You can build one yourself. It's pretty easy. We had a lot of fun building it together, and it's served us well over the last 2-3 years. See you guys later. Bye-bye.
Bye.